In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install uBlock Origin Lite to Safari on your iPad. The first thing we need to do is to open the App Store. Once you've done this, you want to click on the search icon at the top, and then you want to search for uBlock Origin Lite. Once you've searched for it, should be the top result, which will look like this. Now you want to go ahead and click on the Get button. However, mine shows the Cloud button because I've downloaded this in the past. Now uBlock Origin Lite has been downloaded, we want to exit out of the App Store, and now we just need to enable it for Safari. So to do this, we're going to open the Settings application, and then we're going to scroll down the left hand side menu and select Apps, and then you want to find the Safari application. Once you've found Safari, you want to tap into that. Now you want to scroll down until you find Extensions and tap into that. Now you should see the uBlock Origin Lite extension listed, so we're going to tap into that. Now you simply want to toggle on Allow Extension, and if you want to do so, you can also allow it in private browsing as well. Now we've done this, we just need to give it permission to access websites. So we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on All Websites, and then you want to select Allow, and now we can go back. Now we've done this, we can go ahead and start using the extension. However, if you want to change your filtering options, you want to select Settings, and here you can change your filtering mode. Basic should be enough for most users, however you can increase the filtering mode if you'd wish to do so. You can also change your filter list here as well. So now we've done this, we can close out of this Safari tab, and what you want to do now is to go ahead and close the Safari application. Now you want to reopen Safari, and the extension should now be working as expected. So we can go ahead and start using Safari with blocked ads, just as we normally would. Now if you would like to change the filter mode for each individual website, you want to select the uBlock Origin icon next to the URL at the top, and here you can change the filtering mode. So I'm going to change it back to basic, and then when I exit out of it, it should reload, and now the filtering mode should change. So again, we can go ahead and start using Safari just as we normally would. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like.